You just hate the rain, don't you? Sit down. You're not going to play in the pool today, huh? Nobody hates the rain as much as you do, huh? You just want to go in. You just want to go in, Gerdie? Yeah. Sit down, honey. Mommy will let you come in as soon as Dar is finished. Are you done, Dar? Come on, honey. He's deaf. He uses sign language. No, he's not done. Yes, he is. Okay, Gerd. You want to go inside now? Hey, you think Mommy's going to leave you outside? I wouldn't leave you outside. You going to go in? Yeah? Okay. You're nice and warm in there, huh? Yeah, you don't have to worry about the rain. Aw. And you, Bumpy, you don't even want to go out. Gerdie was dumped outside when she was 10 weeks old. And I think she had to stay in the rain when she was a puppy. And to this day, she just can't handle it. Anyways, have a good day. Where's everybody? Hey, Mr. Mickey. You like the new bed Mommy got for you, huh? Today's an indoor day. Mrs. McGurty, this is the way you greet the morning, isn't it? Yeah. And you, pensive boy? Go give Mick-Mac a kiss.
Oh, that's not a kiss.
That's a takeover. Well, I guess that bed's not going to stay clean very long. Okay, Gerd?